Good evening, YouTube. We out with the ZD Racing GT. It is zeroed out, 4S pass. Test hit, see what we got. Start, stop, read, zeroed out, zeroed out. Picking up, start, stop, read, zeroed out, start, read, zero, start. Connected to that car. Oh, my keys to my house, damn. Body pins. Hold on, fellas. Let me get my pins and my keys to my house. Alright, the GPS is zeroed out. Pardon me. Car picking up. Let's get it dropped off. GPS right there. We don't got our ladder tonight, fellas. We pissed. Don't have the damn ladder. So y'all know I'm mad. Come on, go. 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 Please. Please. What's up, boss? I'm shooting a video. Yeah.
How fast does that thing go?
I'm about to find out right now. It's 100 and something.
No way.
Yeah. You might want to pull all the way down because I'm running far. I'm going to be running down towards that, down way past towards that bridge.
I'll go watch it.
All right. All good. Appreciate it. All right. All right, she zeroed out, fellas. Let's see what we got on 4S. Don't got the ladder. I'm pissed. See what this thing got real quick. 4S. See what she got. ZD Racing, GT, bx12. A damn car coming at 1:30 in the morning. Get all my tape out here, fellas. Get it. ZD Racing, bx12, GT, 4S, first pass on 4S. See what she can do. Let's get it. Let's get it. No, 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 no. Yeah. Fucking power cut. Fuck the power cut. Ah, shit. Damn it. Damn you motherfucker. Why you cut power? Oh, my wheels is broke. No, they ain't, are they? Something, brother. Damn it. She was on her way. Something gave. What was that doing? Stop. 137 and cut power. Damn it. She was on her way. Damn. Cut fucking power at 137. I'm pissed. How fast you think she was going?
Probably about 60. If I had radar, I would have told me. What is?
137 miles an hour.
Oh.
And it cut power. It had way more in it than that. It cut the power.
Is
Yeah.
it alright, though? Like,
I'm about to pop the top. Let me check it out. Fellas, that was 137 that barely got in it. Let me pop the top, fellas, and I'll let y'all know what's going on. I'm on YouTube. This is live.
Oh, it's live.
Yeah, you on YouTube.
What's your channel, man?
RC Ghost NRK. Yeah. Sheriff pulled over to watch me, fellas. Late night. I'm out here 35 degrees. Let me pop the top and see what's going on, and I'll get back to y'all YouTube and keep y'all posted. Later, it's the Ghost. Y'all see it, 137. She cut power. Damn it. It cut power on me.